I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you see this coolant reservoir as well as a cap to your radiator. And anytime you work with this system, you want to make sure the vehicle's turned off and cooled down, just because this liquid can get to a boil and then this whole system works under pressure. So you don't want to risk having a bunch of boiling poisonous liquid just shoot out onto you. But also check your owner's manual, a good online source, that you've got the best type of coolant for your particular make and model. And ideally you want to match the same color and type of coolant to what's already in here if you can. Better not to mix and match. But to add when you're ready, you just pop this open, and either the funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug. We'll just fill as needed to around this full mark. Don't fill all the way to the top, there's supposed to be some air gap. But once you've added, close this again and close it tight so nothing else falls in. And if it got really low and you want to check the radiator too, you can just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this will pop right off. And you'll see coolant right in the middle. And you could add more coolant this way as well if needed. When you're done with this, make sure you push this and screw this back on nice and tight as well. Especially this one, you don't want to have coolant spraying out while you're driving the vehicle. But once you've done all this, I would probably start the vehicle, run it for a few minutes while you let that new coolant circulate through the system. And as it does that, I'd check around the engine bay, around the radiator, under the vehicle, all over to see if you can see any coolant puddling around. And if you do see coolant forming, that's probably an indicator there's a leak or crack or something in that area of the vehicle that needs repaired. And a way to tell that apart versus water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't want to feel it with your skin, but see with a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.